Time to get into trouble.
Guard agad ako para tapos na to.
Wait na yung team. Kawawi. Wala nang sakit si 10%.
Ano gusto pumasag? Top mid.
Top, may ups tayo. May ups
Okay.
tayo. Ayun.
Ay, ang ganda ng option mo ha. Talaga yung pinakamalayo ha.
Manlalakbay.
Enjoy ka lang dyan. Kaya pa ba nila yan?
Sila lang yan.
To 20 minutes
You
na
ready for shenanigans?
Kalaban natin si Pure eh.
Yun.
I'll prove I'm the best.
Eh, bottom na lang pala. May tower pa pala yan. Di pa natin nabasag yan.
Here we go.
Yes, up to yan sa Tormentor.
Pating yung shard ko.
Smart.
Gago, hindi nag-cast. Ano yun? Hindi nag-cast.
Mischief never killed anyone.
Sa mid. Tingin sa mid.
Na ito.
On my
Big,
way.
ano, boss fight.
Dah.
Abot ba ako?
What are we
Tayo
waiting
namin
for?
ah.
Eh, boy pa ako.
Ayoko kami. Karma natin.
Parang
Ayan.
naman.
Durad.
Malayo.
Duraan ko pa yan. Spot bottle.
Stick around. Show you something to be afraid
Ang
of.
ina mo, Timber ha. Gago ka ha.
Huli ko ate yung bear.
Come on, Jax.
Tao mana. Pero go nyo lang. DC pala yung hype nito. Skrumash yung mga gago. Regen.
Mischief awaits. Time to be tough. Moving.
Likod nyo yung Chantress ha.
It's you or me.
Ito ko lang yung top. Hindi ako ang bot.
I want. Let's get it.
Buhay pa.
See where the road takes us.
Nako. Ikot ako sa ahas. Let's
I'd
get
run if I were you. Let's go, Jax.
Ito pa sa akin yung team bear.
Alright, Jax. I'll have some fun.
Putang ina mo. Hindi ko
Time to
ma-
get into trouble. It'll be fun.
Kulit mo naman. Putang ina nito talaga kanina.
You ready for
Kasunod.
shenanigans?
Tara, basag tayo. Pa-X-Smart TP ka lang, tol.
Let's find something to steal.
chase mo lang, madam.
No time to dilly
Tayo na lang aliw.
Wait up. Here we go.
Kaya pala.
Madam, yung isa.
Our world will remember the name Mariska.
Kaya palang tapang.
My time has come. Enjoy. Let's get out of here. I'm going.
Tal. Ay, wala ka pala.
I'm always on the move.
Ayun na yan.
Let's get moving.
Uy, hi Marbs! Hello.
I'll prove I'm the best. What are we waiting for? Time isn't on your side.
Tanggalin nyo yung bear na yan. Putangin ang bear yan.
Now you see. I'm gonna have fun. Time to move. Nothing can stand in our way. Here we go. Let's get moving.
Tol, pa-X-Smart ka ako, tol.
Ooh, they're really gonna hate
Pwede ka ba?
us now.
Sige.
Wait lang. Laban muna tayo. Okay. Patay na yung Kendo.
See where the road takes us.
Isim mo.
X-Mark.
Let's go, Jix. Let's
Text
fly.
mo na lang si Luna tol. Basag pa tayo.
Sige. Next si Luna.
That's more like it.
Pwede na.
You ready for shenanigans?
Ikaw talong ka ng talon. Pag pinansing kitang hayop ka. Pwede pala yun. Pinilapit mo tol. Nasa kalila ko.
I can take care.
Ikaw, Jakiro. TP ka na sa base. Ako next ha. Ako na next si TP ha.
See you take the stick.
Help me! Help me! No! Help me, guys!
Let's find something to steal. I torch.
Hindi ako magantay. Tinatamad ako.
The enemy's top barracks is full.
Oh my god.
What are we waiting for?
Binago na agad si Kun ka?
Di na yung water park.
Oo. O siguro dahil sa paset ko.
Alright, for the west. Your thing.
Di rin tol yung facet mo. X-mark eh.
Kaya
Yan na talaga ata. Fleeting, ano na ata yung fleeting time.
Find them.
Maraming barko.
Ah.
Let's see where the road takes us. Need more time. Here on the road. Time to be tough. We're going on a little field trip. I guess team. Have you met my friend Jess yet?
Red naman.
Putang ina.
That was a runt.
So, gusto mo rampage pa?
Control your guts with my blade.
LD. Naka Viper Strike to.
Share ko lang yung film.
Ang dami nun ah.
Uy, gago sinalo.
The enemy's bottom barracks
X-mark katol.
destroyed.
Teka, tat.
Enemy's bottom barracks now has mega creeps.
Ayun na.
Yes, X marks the spot.
Can't stay here.
The enemy's middle tower passes into history.
Double kill.
I'm always on the move. Let's find something to steal.
The enemy's middle tower has been destroyed.
Mischief awaits. My time has
Ba,
come.
may nang 4 stop ah. Sino yun? Si LD?
Yun nun, parang warang wala pa yung aga ni. Likon ka.
Bakit?
Wala naman, isa lang naman yung barko. Di ba dahil tatlo yun?
Baka yung
May
effect.
shard na ba yun?
Oh, meron na. Shard ko yung pabalik eh.
Gulo na. Gulo na. Tangina ng Facebook. Loko na naman. Ayun. Hindi ko nakikita yung level ng ano ko.
Oo pa. Nakikita ko rin sa tournament, wala nang water park talaga.
Dalawang barko.
Meron kasi siyang cannonball.
Oo, magkakaroon ng cannonball. Hindi pa na binago na pala talaga siya.
May damage siya kahit hindi pa tumatama, tol.
Oo, mayroon na nga.
Lala ko yung Facebook. Tangina, nawala yung viewers ko.
Ako, nanonood pa ako nakalive ka pa sa akin.
Nawala yung viewers ko. Algorithm. 150 plus kami na.
Oo nga, hindi nga kita kung ilan yung viewers. Dapat kita.
Topak na naman. Ganun pa rin? Same pa rin?
Same role lang.
Ay, hindi kita yung viewers talaga? Legit?
Oo, hindi kita.
Ewan ko guys, sa Facebook na yan.
Pero nakalive ka na.
Dose mid na to.
Layo ka yung Facebook, Matt.
So pa alam hero ko, tanga na naman.
Nakaka- Lahat na lang nagloloko. Tangina mo. Ganda naman, nice soccer na.
Mahal ata yung kamay niya dun, madam.
Ganun pala yung 101% ni
Sakto lang.
To take what I want.
Rumble.
Here we go.
The bag in flames. For preparation.
This one's in the bag.
Use it wisely.
The sooner we're out of here, the better. Let's see where the road takes us. Can't
wala
stay in
tong
one
weather
place too long.
Wala tong post ata.
Time to get into trouble.
Kikita ka.
Go, Jix.
Warden.
Let's find something to steal.
Reward na natin.
Tara, boss.
Sabay tayo.
This is boring anyway.
Oh.
Legit nga, no?
Here we go.
Nadadagdagan talaga yung XP kapag, dineward nung,
What drums?
I'm always
Pero
on the
yung
move.
gold,
Beat of war.
sa pala?
Sa bumili ng sense.
Time to get into trouble.
Kung sino yung ano, kung sino yung humampas na dalawa. Sila lang
Has
dalawa
Jeff
yung may
ever killed
XP.
anyone?
Di, kung sinong malapit.
Hindi, nakasingot.
Saan kasi
Kung sino yung malapit.
Eh wala eh, masyadong malakas yung singot ko kaya medyo mataas.
Prove I'm the best.
Uli, 101% ka eh.
Time now for the
I
final.
don't need a
Tinaktuhan
horse
ko
to
lang,
tell
boss.
me when to fight. You ready for shenanigans? We're going on a little field trip, Jix. What are we waiting for?
Aray ko.
Let's get moving. My time has come. Time to move. Mischief awaits.
Ang guard click yan, ang sakit ang puta.
Let's see where the road takes us. The more money, the better. Come on, Jix. I'm full of surprises. No time to dilly-dally. You're not ready for this. Let's go.
Play may range.
Moving.
Ulit mo.
Pinok pa din.
Ay, may patch. Gago, pinaka-hate ko yan.
First blood is on the ground, and we're already looking for more.
Kasi ko kay SQ, ikaw inok
Use
yan
you
eh.
to escape. Let's fly.
Talabay.
Ha?
Time to be trouble. I'm going.
Pulse ako to ha, mamaya ka fight
Let's
pulse.
find something to steal.
Kailangan.
On my way. Time to move. Let's fly.
Wait lang ako. May di... hindi. Cut.
What are we waiting for?
Teka, SQ.
Bye bye.
Time to be trouble.
Chicken dinner, chicken
Patay
dinner.
eh.
Chicken dinner, putang ina mo.
This one's mine, Jax.
Kita mo ba yan? Dalawa.
Dyer's courier has been killed.
I'll prove I'm the best.
Banana.
Ilma ko ba?
Ha?
Here we go.
Cooldown pa.
Ilma ko.
Not so fast. Mischief awaits. I won't let you stop me.
Uy, nakuha ko.
Jix, what do you say we go introduce ourselves? Let's see where the
Ang
road
ulit ng
takes
Ursa, walang bawas sa kanya yung creeps. Ayun, isang buong wave tumitiro sa kanya kanina.
Let's go, Jix.
Ibon ko.
Time to get into trouble.
Patch going mid. Kumuha ng ano.
Wala. Ay, bounty siguro.
Sige, ako nakukuha.
Kinuha na ata yung bounty tita. Tagal ko ng boot.
The seeds of fortune.
Moving.
Ako nasa mid pre ah.
Wala.
Time to move.
Mag-isa lang to SQ. Orasin ko na lang ah.
Ito, Pudge.
You ready for shenanigans? I'm going. This isn't going to end well for you.
This is ours.
Let's get moving.
Diyan pa rin.
Let's find something to steal.
Magpo-pull ba ako SQ?
Ako.
Time to get out of here.
Rusin natin to.
Ayan, kaya takbo ka lang.
Keeping ako mid.
Please on the move. I'll be firm.
Marot ka!
Nag-jump na to. Gago, mali pa ako nung...
Sprout mo lang.
Di pa pala to
Wait.
mga talon niya.
We find who did that and rip their eyes out.
For God,
Kaya mo mag-battle refill. May TP ka pa, di ba?
Meron pa.
Battle refill na lang ako, tol.
A little mischief never kills anyone.
May TP ka lang.
My time has gone anywhere.
Sige, tol.
Let's see where the road takes us. Come on, Jax. Time. I'll
Sino ko
prove I'm
umaga?
the best.
Paano pala yun?
Time isn't on your side. Let's get out of here.
Kailangan natin ang air.
Time to move.
Bago na buhay pa.
Time to get into trouble.
Kapang mo, boss, ah.
You couldn't begin to understand the power I
Yan
wield.
bakit ulit sa mid? Tumalon na.
What are we waiting for?
Tumalo na to, tumalo na.
Wala pang sprout, wait lang.
Wait lang, babalik ako.
You ready for shenanigans?
Pwede ka mag-TP, tol. Patay ito.
Ito,
Showtime.
ginago yung ano, tiny.
We're going on a little field trip, Jax.
No, naipit.
We did it, Jax!
Double kill yan, Doy.
Paano?
On that
O, diba?
Yan. Galing mo, ah.
time to be trouble.
Patay nga lang ako.
Ayun lang.
You're not
Ito si Invi, ah. Di ko alam saan pumunta.
Let's find something to steal. Moving.
Dito, dito. Puntang bottom, kukuha ng bounty.
Ingat SQ, still ako ng XP, ah.
Let's fly.
Yung center, tipian ko na lang kaya ito.
Diyan na yung Zeus, bottom. Pullback lang, ah.
Let's get moving.
Wala pa atang rat yan, eh. Meron na nga.
Putang ina mo.
Gago, apat na sa akin. Spaces,
Yung
spaces,
XP,
spaces.
makatakbo.
Wala akong TP, ah. Wala akong TP, wala akong
Wala rin
TP.
akong TP,
Let's
guys.
go, Jax.
Allows.
Patay dalawa, tol.
No time to
Nice
dilly-dally.
Hindi nila nakuha XP, hindi nila nakuha.
Ay.
Okay, kunin ko na.
I'm going. Let's see where the road takes us.
Nice, wow.
Got to go. More power, the better. Mischief awaits. Time to be trouble.
Gago, kahit nasa stash yung earn, pag nakapatay, may
Get
dagdag.
ready for a surprise.
Patay natin SQ.
Kaya takbo ka na, takbo na.
What are we waiting
Dawi ako tap, ah.
You ready for shenanigans?
Oh.
No time to dilly-dally.
Nandito pa naman pa, Che.
Ang ina mo naman.
Moving.
Witch Doctor pa.
Bubo ko doon, ah.
Can't stay here.
Naman.
Wala pang TP, men. 5,
I'll
4,
prove I'm the
3.
best.
Ay, ma-advance to.
Here we go.
Tayo ito. Advancean mo lang.
Let's find something to steal.
Oh, Sprout. Sige, patay na.
Killing spree.
Let's fly.
Sige, hindi ako papatay na ito. Mukha lang tong gago.
Ako ata yung
Mischief
papatay.
awaits.
Sige, chain ko. Takbo ka lang, ha.
Sige. Nice. Makuha ata ako. Mama.
Galing base yan? Hindi.
Okay,
I'm always on the move.
sa baba.
Sabihin nyo pag-SS ako.
Kunin na yung bote mo, pre. Kunin ko yung bounty.
Paano kita natin?
Kabalik ka dito?
Let's go,
Ah,
Jax.
hindi, kukunin ko lang to.
Yung tip.
Hindi, akin na, tol. Mag-remnant na lang ako. Para mas
A
mabilis.
little mischief never killed anyone.
Gusto mo yung Witch Doctor SQ? Tipian ko.
Ewan ko.
Kukunin mo ba tong bounty, pre?
Hindi na ako mo yun.
The seeds of fortune.
Let's get moving.
Pwede na to, Gogs. Dalawa.
Free-farm tong few, ano
I'm going.
Ursa. Counter ako eh.
You want me? Come get me. My time has come. Layla, I disappear.
Baka tumunto sa inyo doon sa
No one can stop us.
apat nasa top,
May
tol.
punch stroke ako. Puti na. Nice one.
Takes us.
Buti sinabi mo na hook ka.
Oo nga.
Time to get into trouble. We're going on a little field trip, Jax. Fancy.
Papawak ako.
Time to move.
Ha? Papaw ka?
Patay natin. Patay natin.
Sino dyan?
Come on, Jax.
Paano na
On my
ata?
way.
Kapuri na yun.
You're not walking away.
Wait lang.
Ay,
Maka-solar. Ano ka
Let's go.
Punta na yung Zeus dyan, ha.
salog.
Go.
Let's
TP,
find
ay
some
wala
Ganda,
pa akong
wala.
TP. Pero tatakboyin ko. Kaya isa TP top.
Ano ba yung dito?
Cancel,
Pwede
cancel.
tayo tala, pwede tayo.
Prove I'm the best.
Ay, kinancel ko.
Okay lang yan. Mabubuhay na ako. Wala ka ring mana eh.
Time to get into trouble.
Pwede pa. Laban pa, laban pa, laban pa, laban pa, laban pa. Zeus, oh.
Ito ang
Yung micro nyo lang,
ano.
micro nyo lang.
Wala ako SS, wala akong SS.
No time to dilly-dally.
Nice one. Okay lang.
Pwede pa. Andito pa ako ah.
Orsa.
Joy. Let's fly.
Kaya niya.
Ay!
Overzealous.
Malientos.
Habol lang, pre.
Sige.
Ay!
Ayan. Patay si Tiny.
Ito pa, gusto mo pa?
Sige.
Asa mo sa akin yung agro.
Saan na? Wala na.
Oh no, they won't pull that off again.
Nagtumalo na yan, pre.
What are we waiting for?
Meet.
Patay na to.
Sige.
Let's see where the road takes us. Going.
Sorry, wala akong detection.
Stick around.
Patay.
You know. Let's get moving.
Middle tower has fallen.
Can't stay here.
Boy yung Tiny, no?
Boy.
Nothing can stand in our way.
Kukunin mo bounty, men?
Ikunin mo lang, meron dyan ako.
Let's go.
The enemy attacks your bottom tower.
Pwede mo tipihan yung mid, ah. Wait lang.
Sige lang.
Or itong patch. Tara.
Let's go, Jax.
Wala akong SS
Time
ah.
to be
Lang.
run before us.
Pwede pa to.
Wala akong SS.
Galang.
Putang ina mo, nabuhay pa.
It's not ready.
Patay yan.
Double kill.
Kaya ko nung
I'm always on the move.
Kaya na
Susunod.
tatang ko sabay.
A little
Ano, pre?
mischief
Abo lang.
never killed anyone.
Orsa.
Patay ito.
Wala akong may tutulong ah. Wala, manang.
Patay na yan. Iwan mo na.
Stay here.
Triple kill.
6 seconds, 5. 4, 3. Yan na.
Wait lang. 3 group.
Sige, may SS ako. SS-an ko na kayo ah.
Toss mo kaya.
Wag.
What are we waiting for?
Huwag mo nagalit.
Move.
Kaya pare. Asa mo sa akin yung tira ng
Lalata.
pare.
Nakapokus sa akin, NS.
Merong rat, tol.
We're going on a
Nahuk
little
ako
field
na
trip.
naman. Anong buhay ko? Buhay pa din!
See where
Baka
the
tayo.
retreat to shadow. Let's fly. At least we're not stuck in court.
Oh, the 100%. The 100%. Okay, okay. Ay,
Ako na magpapatuloy ng laban mo, pre.
eto na.
Ito, audition, audition. Ah! Patay pa yan, pre. Vessel mo lang ulit. Eh, alam mo lang. Tangay na ka.